Have you ever felt helplessly overwhelmed by the world around you? Overpowered by external circumstances that seem to strip you of your peace and control over your own life? Have you sought solace and found no relief? What if I told you, however, that there is a way to regain your power, to reshape your life and find tranquility within? In this guide, we're going to delve deep into the principles of Stoicism. Here are 10 invaluable lessons from this timeless philosophy that can drastically change your perspective and transform your life. Lesson 1. Transform your perspective towards irritations. Just as robust, layered characters bookmark a novel and tease the reader to search for more, so too should we approach life's irritations. Instead of allowing external circumstances to dictate our emotions, we can shift our perspective towards them. Much like how a readable book unfolds over time, this process is gradual and requires patience. Ponder upon this thought. What if the things bothering you are not inherently distressing but merely seen as such? With a shift in perspective, they can lose their power over you. Lesson 2. Cherish your time. In life, people often protect their material possessions vigilantly, yet squander their most valuable resource: time. Picture yourself as a thrifty investor. Just as a savvy investor makes careful choices not to waste their resources, so too should you be careful with your time. Make each moment count. Recognize its value, for it is truly a non-renewable asset. Lesson 3. Restore your inner balance. There are times when life throws a curveball, leaving our spirits unsettled and our minds in turmoil. However, just like a proficient surfer who reascends, rebalancing swiftly after a wave, remember that it is essential to restore your mental equilibrium promptly. Don't linger in a state of imbalance. Learn the art of regaining focus and calmness. Lesson 4. Demand the best for yourself. Many of us seek excellence in the external world but tend to withhold it from ourselves. But think about it. How long are you going to wait before demanding the best for yourself? Just like a priceless gem that warrants admiration, your life too deserves the pursuit of excellence. Lesson 5. Claim your freedom through self-control. Often we misinterpret freedom, believing that liberation means surrendering to every whim and desire. However, Stoicism unfolds a deeper truth. Freedom is not the absence of restraint, but the essence of self-control. Just like an accomplished athlete that excels within the rules of the game, freedom blossoms within the framework of self-discipline. Lesson 6. Abandon fruitless complaints. It's peculiar how often we invest in a losing strategy: complaining. The Stoics understood that complaining is as fruitful as attempting to harvest crops from barren land. Rather than wasting your precious energy and time on complaints, channel that effort into actions that lead you towards achieving your goals and creating happiness. Lesson 7. Embrace discomfort as a path to success. Stoicism teaches that discomfort is not an enemy. It's the currency one needs to pay on the road to success. Much like the grueling training a mountaineer undergoes before embarking on their expedition, you too need to perceive discomfort as an integral part of your journey towards self-improvement. Lesson 8. Foster thoughtful speech. In a world that drowns us in constant chatter, the Stoics guide us to be careful with our words. Train yourself not to speak until you are certain that staying silent wouldn't be better. Imagine being that mystery novel where each sentence earnestly contributes to the narrative, rather than merely adding to the word count. Lesson 9. Value aspiration and struggle. A common belief in our society is that peace implies a lack of struggle or resistance. However, Stoics offer a different perspective. They argue that it's not mere peace one should seek, but the aspiration and struggle towards a worthy goal. Like an artist embroiled in the process of creating a masterpiece, the inherent value lies not in the peace of completion, but the struggle and aspiration of creation. Lesson 10. Understand the power of your thoughts. The final Stoic lesson to embrace is the understanding that your thoughts shape your life. You are the author of your life's book. Your thoughts are the words scribbled on the pages of this novel, shaping the plot, the characters, the realization, and the resolution. The power rests in your hands. As we bring this guide to a close, we've journeyed through profound wisdom that, when applied, can equip you with the tools to navigate life's stormy seas better. Take these lessons, ponder over them, and determine to apply them in your journey. Reflect and commit, because the power to shape your narrative and bring about the transformation you seek is within you. Should any external circumstances dare to throw you off balance, remember, you are equipped with knowledge as timeless as Stoicism itself. Your life is a valuable asset, and by applying these lessons, you'll be steering the ship of your destiny towards calm waters.